guys, welcome to ReveMoto. Today we'll be working on the 2014 Toyota Rav4 front bumper removal and installation. If you guys need this parts for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com. If you're making automatic parts sold. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a walk around on this side right here. This is perfectly attached somewhat. Just this bumper right here is falling off. But you're going to need to take off this bolt right here. It's going to be around, I'd say 8mm, but we'll see when we take it off. Right here is going to be a push pin. It's going to be a flathead type push pin, so you need a flathead screwdriver. I'm showing you this side because on the other side, this one's just in a minor accident. Nothing that we can't fix here, but this whole side is completely gone. So just remember how to take it off on the other side, because you're going to have to repeat it on this side also. Okay? So like I said, on this side right, it's going to be 8mm. So you're gonna get a ratchet set right here with an 8mm head on it, or bolt. It's not bolt, no. I keep forgetting now. So it's gonna be 8mm socket. Go ahead and take it off right here. So just like that, right there. Take that off. Put it to the side. Right here is going to be a flathead. So just get a flathead like this one right here. And all you do is twist it. Like that. And wedge the flathead in there. Just pop right out. And it looks like that. Well, it came off, but you don't have to completely take this off. I was just trying to move it and it came right off. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off. Now, we're gonna repeat the same thing that we did over here on the other side. So I'm not gonna show you guys that, because what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna race plate it over there, because that one was just put on by those zip ties. Well, actually, let me go ahead and show you guys. So, if you guys remember on the other side how we took it off with those bolts and that push pin with the flathead screwdriver head on it. This one's a little bit easier because, you know, this is a universal way to fix stuff with zip ties. So just gonna go ahead and take it off like that. And now the bumper's loose. Alright? So, now I'm gonna work our way to the bottom, because the bottom is always gonna be like push you guys. So we're gonna work our way to the bottom, all the way down. So we're just gonna take those bottom screws off first before we take off the top, just in case it falls. Alright, so if you guys go to the bottom of your bumper right here, you're gonna see these screws, or not screws, they're like 10mm bolts right here, right here. And if you guys go ahead and go around all the way to the bottom of the bumper, you'll see more bolts. So you guys can see, like right here, there's going to be another bolt right there. This is right in the middle. Another one right there. Another one right there. Another one right here, and then 2 more over there. So you're gonna have a total of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. Let me show you guys how that works. So it's pretty hard for me to show you guys with that underneath, but basically your bolts are right here. One right there, one right there, and then right in the middle you'll see like 4 more, and then 2 more right here. So that's gonna be 2, 4, that's actually, sorry, I'm just counting. 2, 4, it's gonna be 6, and then another one right here is gonna be 8. So let me show you guys how to take that off. So again, get a socket with a 10mm on there. I mean 8. So they look like this. These bolts look like this. Alright, so now we're gonna work our way to the top. So up on top, you're just gonna be working on the grill area right here. Gonna be a bolt right here, a push pin right here. These things just come off. I think there's like also a bolt in there. Yeah, I think you pop that open, the flathead. And then another one right here, and another bolt right here. So that should be all the parts that we need to take off, and then we can go ahead and remove the bumper. So let's get started. Alright, so let's get started with this bolt right here. It's gonna be a 10mm. Get one on the other side. So on these right here, they look like you need a Phillips screwdriver to take them off. So you need one of these. I think it's a number 2 Phillips. There you go. Kind of on there pretty tight. So it looks like that. Got the other one right there. Press down on it, get a better grip. Alright. And it looks like that. So up here, it looks like it's going to be a flathead. So I think we got to take off this cover right here. Okay, so it's just a push pin. Take it off. And it looks like that. So all I did was put my flathead right here and just pry up and it'll release itself. Alright, so this is the same thing right here. This is another push pin. The bumper's already trying to come off. It's broken. So as you can see, the bumper's already off. So this car's been damaged pretty badly on this side, so that's why the bumper just came off. But let me demonstrate if it didn't come off properly or come off by itself. So technically, it's going to be on like that. So right here, it's flipped on. So you're going to have to pull one side right here off, and then on the other side, it's pretty hard. The bumper supposed to come off. The other side, you're supposed to pull the other side off, and then slide the bumper off like this. You guys have fog lights right here? This one doesn't have fog lights, but if you did have fog lights, you have to disconnect the fog lights itself also. Alright, that's how you guys take off the bumper. Alright guys, so that's how you take off a bumper on a 2015 Toyota Rav4. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. If you guys need any prepaid auto body free car, go to ReveMoto.com. Prepaid auto body parts.